I stand here today as an Indian, and I stand here today as someone from the Northeast. And I stand here with all of you, both in grief and in solidarity. Today, we have to show the entire country that Northeast is strong. Today, we have to show the entire country that Northeast is beautiful. To the family of Angel Chakpa, we are sorry for what has happened to Angel, and we stand in solidarity with you. Let justice not be delayed. Let the main perpetrator and main culprit be found. There are certain casteist slurs. If those casteist slurs are made against a person belonging to the scheduled caste community, then the strictest punishment is given. I demand that in the same manner, if a person from Northeast is ever called Chinese in the future, they should get the same punishment. I'm with you as a brother, as a friend, and as a representative of the Northeast in the Parliament of India.